All right, are you ready for part 2 of my Halloween candy old fashions? Yep, part 2. This one's fun. This one's different. This one's actually HRH's favorite. It's a Reese's. So we're gonna go with a Reese's old fashioned, and just like with the first video, I'm doing 2 versions. Are you ready for this? Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. We are doing part 2 of our 2-part series of our Halloween candy old fashions. The first part, if you haven't seen, is my Snickers. It was amazing. I love Snickers. I love the drinks that came out of that. They came out even better than I thought. So if you have not seen that one, I will leave a link to it right here. But today we are doing a Reese's, and we're doing 2 of them just like we did with the Snickers. We're doing 2 parts. One a whiskey base and one an infused that's going to taste more like the candy. Like the candy is a drink itself. So let's see. Let's get into these. Let's go. All right. So let's just jump right into this series. Reese's Candy Old Fashions. Ooh. One of the #1 candies that's sold during Halloween is the Reese's. So I decided let's take that and turn it into an old fashioned, and we're making it 2 ways. The first way is going to be very simple that everybody can do because everything's on the shelves. No pre-planning or anything needed, just to get the ingredients. So I'm going to start off making the Reese's Old Fashioned. Reese's Old Fashioned ingredient. 1.5 ounces peanut butter whiskey, 1/2 ounce of whiskey, 1 dash chocolate bitters, 2 dashes almond bitters, 1/4 ounce orgeat, 1/4 ounce creme de cacao. Now this one I'm making directly in the glass, and we're going to start out by adding 1 large ice. Now we're going to add 1 dash of chocolate bitters. It's interesting because you would think with the Reese's you'd add more chocolate, but it actually is more flavorful. Like the peanut butter is actually what's highlighted in there. And that's why we're adding some almond. It just helps highlight the nuttiness, that peanutness. And that was 2 dashes of almond bitters. Next, we're going to start measuring and do 1/4 ounce of orgeat. This also helps bring out the nuttiness. It doesn't require a lot. Followed by 1/4 ounce of creme de cacao. I actually changed it from the dark one to this one. This one I just decided why not change it up a little bit. Next we'll be adding 1.5 ounces of this peanut butter one. I decided to use this one, Texas Ranger. It's made at Rebecca Creek Distillery. The reason I'm using this one is they use real ingredients, so the peanut butter is very forward in this one. And this almost tastes like a Reese's peanut butter even by itself. But use what you have available. A lot of people have Screwball. Use Screwball. Now I'm also going to be adding in 1/2 ounce of whiskey. That is pretty low, so I just wanted to kind of increase the proof and add a little bit more whiskey to this. Just a little bit over, but why not? Let's just finish this bottle off. Let's give that a little stir. Ooh. Don't go too crazy and spill like I just did. And here you go, the Reese's Old Fashioned. You get that peanut up front with the hint of chocolate at the end. And it's overall a good one. I enjoy it. Nice whiskey base. It's a little bit sweet for an old fashioned, but it's supposed to be a candied old fashioned, so it's gonna be a little bit sweeter. All right, time to make the second one. Now the second one I'm making is an infused Reese's old fashioned, and this one takes a little bit more time because you have to infuse vodka with the Reese's cups, right? If you do this, it is so much more flavorful. It tastes almost exactly like a Reese's, and it's worth the wait. So if you're a real Reese's fan, this would be the way to go. Ingredients for the infused Reese's Old Fashioned: 2 ounces of vodka infused with Reese's, 1 dash chocolate bitters, 1 dash almond bitters, 1/4 ounce creme de cacao, and a mini Reese's. All right, now that we have all the ingredients lined up, we're gonna make this directly in the glass. Start off by adding a large ice. We're gonna do 1 dash of chocolate bitters, followed by 1 dash of almond bitters, 1/4 ounce of the creme de cacao. You can use the clear one or the dark one. I want this one a little bit darker, so that's why I'm going with this one. There really is no flavor difference in either one, at least not that I've noticed. And the star of the show, the vodka infused with Reese's. I will have instructions on how to make this below. We're doing a full 2 ounces. And we're gonna stir this. I wanted to originally do chocolate shavings over this, but how can you not do it and just put a mini Reese's over this? Now this is the Halloween version. It's supposed to be a bat, but it's so hot in Texas, by the time we even got here, it's already been melted. So there you go. Whoops. All right, so there you go. The infused Reese's Old Fashioned. Let's go in for a sip. Whew. As I said, I'm not a Reese's fan, but that tastes exactly like a Reese's. So I do have my special guest here today. HRH is back in the house.
I love chocolate, so it's a good episode to be on.
Definitely. And now that I've done all the hard work, she decides to come on to, do the easy part and taste, right?
Yes, exactly.
All right.
Work smarter, not harder.
Yeah,
so.
Exactly. And so the theme of today is for Halloween. And I'm choosing some of the favorite candies out there to turn into an old fashioned. And that's what I did. I did 2 versions of an old fashioned with Snickers, and I did 2 versions of an old fashioned with Reese's. And I know Reese's is one of your favorites, so
Absolutely.
We'll see how you like that. Now, the difference is whiskey base, vodka base, but these are infused with the candies, and these are made to taste like the candies.
Okay.
All right. So let's start on this. I don't know if you want to do the 2 whiskeys and then do those, or you choose how you want to do it,
Whiskey. That one's good. You can actually taste a little caramel in it and a little the chocolate hint at the end. Yeah. Not bad. Wow.
Does it remind you of a Snickers?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. So for a whiskey base one, I think I hit the spot with it. I really did enjoy it,
Yeah.
And the cool thing about these are things that you don't have to do anything. You just go buy the ingredients off the shelf, make it, and ta-da, you're done, right? All right, let's have you do the Reese's. We had to do a quick stop there, right? But go ahead and start with the Reese's.
Honestly, compared already, I really like this one. This one you could taste the peanut butter. A little biased for it because I like Reese's, but that's really good.
And that's the funny thing
Very
is,
sweet.
I'm not a Reese's fan, right? So that you like that one more because you like Reese's, and I think I got it pretty damn close to it.
That is pretty good.
I like this one more from those 2 because I'm a Snickers fan. I like Snickers more. But hey, there you go. Okay, now we're going with the candy infused one. So I actually used the candy to infuse it to make it taste more like it. Yeah, right. But you know what? Hold on. It's been sitting there for a moment. Let's just spin that around a little bit more. And let's take this out because it just keeps falling in there.
Oh, yeah. You can definitely taste it. I've had a little nuttiness in there for sure. Yeah, that's very good.
It tastes exactly like you bit a Snickers.
Exactly like a Snickers.
It is. It really is like you bit one. And I think, I was saying it's worth the wait. If you're willing to wait because you have to infuse it for a day. If you're willing to wait for a day, that one tastes exactly like one.
It really does taste exactly like a Snickers.
So what do you think? You think the Reese's is going to taste exactly like a Reese's now?
I hope so. I think so, especially if it's infused with it.
All right. Well, let's go ahead and try
I really hope I taste a lot of peanut butter.
Yeah,
I love
let's
peanut
see
butter.
Let's see.
I caught it. I can't waste the Reese's.
No.
Oh, it's in my hair too. Oh.
Now it's...
That is nice.
All right. We'll have to wash that
This one's yours.
I don't even eat Reese's.
I'll eat another one.
All right.
Okay, well
go back in there again.
Because I was distracted. Oh yeah, that's 100% a Reese's.
Yeah.
Yeah, honestly, if that was a blind, I can easily pick those out.
Yeah, and you can tell that is
peanut butter.
Yeah, and that one just hits you, and from beginning to end. It was the last drink I've had before I brought you in here, and I still have that taste in my mouth.
Lucky
so
you.
I still taste it. Yeah. All right. So what do you think? Do you have a favorite?
I mean, I'm a whiskey girl, so like whiskey, right? If I had to pick my favorite, that's hard because I already like Reese's.
Yeah, I know, but I'm asking you, like, for somebody out there, if they had to make one of these, which one would you recommend they make?
Like whiskey versus vodka?
No, just any of them. Like if they had to only make one, right? And they can only make one of these out there because they have time for one drink. Which one would you choose?
Wow, I'm gonna have to retry them all.
Oh.
So
I guess we'll pause and fast forward to this to see if he tries them all.
Yes. I already can't pick things. That was pretty good.
Let's get that out of your way.
Yeah, we don't want hair in it. That's pretty good. Winner chicken dinner and then that one.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You picked one of each. I'm surprised.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I'm extremely surprised. I figured it would be winner, and then we'll leave mine out.
No.
But well, I'm glad you like both of them.
Mm-hmm.
I had a good time making them. It took a lot of work, a lot of trial and error, and trying to figure out how to get these where they're they taste similar. You're getting the vibe of the candy I'm trying to do, without making them overly sweet because they are pretty sweet already to begin with, but not making it so sweet you don't taste the whiskey in there either. There you go.
Nice job.
Thank you. All right, high five. Well, thank you for joining me again on another journey down my old-fashioned rabbit hole. This was a fun one. I really enjoyed it. This is fun time during Halloween. Halloween's always fun to come up with some weird, interesting cocktails, right? And you don't also have to be in the box, so.
Yes.
Happy Halloween. Cheers. This is Halloween.
I love chocolate, so it's a good show.
Oh, one second.
Ew, what did I
Oh, no, it was a bubble.
Okay. Okay.
All right, let's start with.
Oh, I'm like drinking it like a little girl, like
Yeah.
Ew.
Stop looking at yourself. Look over there. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Cheers.
Cheers. No, we gotta do it together.
Okay, what do you want to do?
I don't know. I'm trying to think. This is Halloween. That's your theme song. Take 5.
I'm gonna run out of drink here.
Well, dang! Why are you taking gloves?
What happened there?
I don't know. Again.
Happy Halloween.